Alright, you want to go ahead and see how powerful the magnet. So I got the Mavic AiR 2, and then we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see how strong this magnet. Alright. I'm laughing already. Alright, let's see if we can pull it. Yeah, so much. So your phone is safe. It's not gonna fall. You can see here, I got the Mavic AiR 2 with the battery in there already, and you can see it's not going anywhere. So, just letting you know. Very interesting. Yeah, so it's very, it got some force to it. Yep. All right, let's do one more. Let's do one more time. See how strong this magnet. All right. See right there. Here you go. Let's see. See how powerful it is? It's not going anywhere. You can see it ain't going anywhere. Yep, it's good, I guess. Wow.